A very good evening, everyone. I welcome you all to a session of GK Live Quiz presented to you by National Law Training Institute. And I request you all to go at menti.com and use the code 53901633. And we'll be starting with the quiz in 30 seconds. Go at menti.com, use the code 53901633, and we'll be starting. All right. Let's start with today's quiz. So first is L is a company, is scheduled to launch the historic Polaris Dawn mission on August 26, 2024. This mission marks a significant milestone in private space flight. That means that gives a clue that L is a private company, being the first of the three missions under the Polaris program. The launch will take place from M in Florida aboard a Falcon 9 rocket. Falcon 9 should give you the clue that what company is L. The mission will feature the X and aims to reach an altitude of approximate Z kilometer, the highest Earth orbit for a crewed mission since the Apollo era. The crew of four includes Y, who will command the mission, Scott Kidd Potier as the pilot, and mission specialist Sarah Gills and Anna Menon. The pilot names is Scott Kidd Potit, and two specialists are there, Sarah Gill and Anna Menon, and you'll have to tell me the pilot's name. So let's start. Let's see how much do you know about this topic. And this is the first question. What is the primary objective of Polaris Dawn mission? To dock with the International Space Station, to conduct the first ever private spacewalk, to test a new propulsion system, to land on the moon. All right. A lot of you confuse it with International Space Station docking because that is still in the news and that is a very important issue. But this is the first ever private spacewalk. Remember, Polaris Dawn mission, first ever private spacewalk. Who is the commander of the Polaris Dawn mission? Is it Scott Kidd Potit? Is it Sarah Gill? Is it Anna Menon? Or is it J. Isaac Mann? So this is an inferential based question as well as a GK question. Oh, everybody has voted. That's so nice. So we'll see his answer. J. Isaac Mann. If you would have heard me saying, okay, Scott Kidd Potit is the pilot, Sarah Gill and Anna Menon is the specialist, so you could have easily inferred that J. Isaac Mann would be the commander. Let's see. Next question. 13 players are ready. What is the planned altitude for Polaris Dawn mission? So this is the highest Earth orbital mission, remember. So 400 kilometer, 500 kilometers, 700 kilometer, or 1000 kilometers. So what is the altitude? And yeah, everybody has voted. That's nice. Everybody is voting before time. That's kind of very sincere. Yeah, okay. Many people voted for 1000 because I said it is the highest, but I would make options like I'll try to make options. Ki, 1000 bhi dalunga, 700 is the answer. Thala for a reason, 700 is the answer. Let's go ahead. All right. So remember these things. These are factual facts, factual things. And going with the quiz. 13 players are ready. Where will the Polaris Dawn mission launch from? So we get the clue. It says in Florida. It is Kennedy Space Center, Florida. Oh, I think I have given the hint to answer. It is Vandenberg Space Force Base, California. Is it Baikonur Cosmodrome, Kazakhstan? Is it Tanshima Space Center, Japan? All right. Let's go. दो लोगों ने फिर भी गलत कर दिया. So I think you all have understood the idea that some hints would be provided in the passage, and sometimes there would be no hint at all. So you will have to take those clue and get the answer right. The 13 players are ready. Which company is responsible for Polaris Dawn mission? Is it NASA? Is it SpaceX, Blue Origin, or Boeing? So one clue was there in the passage that it is a public or private company. I pointed it out for you guys to look for inferential things where you can derive the answer. Yes, it's a private company and it owns Falcon 9 as well. So which is this company? Falcon 9 is the heaviest and powerful rocket in the world, and that is owned by none other than SpaceX itself. That being said, we have the quiz leaderboard. Rahul Gulati is there, Anonymous, Clippy, Amog, Magical Rhino, Ronald, Johnny, Maverick, Manas, Johnny. So Anonymous is still at the top, Rahul Gulati at second, and then many more to come. Bhumi is also there from. All right. So we'll now have elite one-liners because you guys were concerned about what kind of one-liners can be asked in elite. So I started preparing them as well. All right. Who scored the winning goal for India, their bronze medal match against Spain in the Paris Olympics 2024? So we have got a bronze medal in Paris Olympics 2024. That's a very hooray for us. And who was this player? One clue: he is the captain of Indian hockey team as well. And now it's a farewell to him from the team. Harmanpreet Singh, exactly 7 people have got it right. It had to be seven. Thala, right? All right. Let's see. 12 people are ready. 12 people are ready. Neeraj Chopra won a silver medal at 2024 Paris Olympic with a season best throw off. What was the distance he accomplished? Was it 90.65, 89.45, 87.58, 85.67? All right. Many were following this thing. Yeah. Even we at NLUD watched the thing together and kind of heartbreaking. But yeah, he gave his best and we are proud of him. Silver is no less, right? It's a very big achievement. And let's see. Okay. 13 people are 14 people are ready. Let's start the quiz. Next question is: which Pakistani athlete set an Olympic record in the men's javelin throw at the Paris 2024 Olympics? Was it Mohammad Wasim? Was it Shakib Akhtar? Was it Shakib Ahmed? Was it Arshad Nadeem? Who is it? Who is this player? It is indeed Arshad Nadeem. So these are very basic questions which can be asked in elite, and you know them because of your general knowledge, and that is all GK is about, right? If you are aware about basic facts which are going on, so nobody can snatch these marks from you. So India secured back-to-back Olympic medals in hockey for the first time since the last time we have got the Olympic medal in hockey. मतलब बैक टू बैक, मतलब इससे पहले हमें एक तो टोक्यो में मिला था, एक अभी मिला है, तो इससे पहले कब हमें ऐसे बैक टू बैक ओलंपिक मेडल्स मिलते थे हॉकी में? सो पीपल आर डिवाइडेड 1964 1968, बट द आंसर इज 1972. यस, 1972 में हमें बैक टू बैक ओलंपिक मेडल मिले थे दो टाइम, एंड उसके बाद अब जाके मिले, एंड दैट इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग फॉर इंडिया. 13 people are ready to answer. We'll get a leaderboard soon if you're waiting for it. The International Day of the World's Indigenous People is observed on. So, indigenous is, these CLAT would focus on emphasis on backward people and their upliftment. And World Indigenous Day is one of the occasion where we talk about social issues which indigenous people face, and this is 9th of August. Yes, and we're having this quiz on 9th of August, so I had to ask this question. Although I could ask something of 8th of August as well, but yeah, 9th of August. So 13 people are ready. We're gonna have a leaderboard soon, or in the end, let's see how you guys are faring. Who made history by becoming the first Indian track and field athlete to win medal at consecutive Olympics? Two Olympics, consecutive medal. Answer fast. Everybody should answer. Yes, everybody has voted. That's it. I wanted it. Yeah, Neeraj Chopra. Last time in Tokyo Olympics, he won a gold medal, and this time a silver medal. India won a bronze medal in hockey at the Paris Olympics by defeating which country? So, if you had paid attention in the previous question, you could answer this as well. This is a follow up reasoning. Oh, everybody has voted. That's so nice of you guys. Nice. Spain is the answer. Spain indeed is the answer. And this was mentioned in the one of the last questions as well. So if you're paying attention, quiz leaderboard. Everybody was voting for this thing. Amog. We people. So let's see. We have Amog followed by Anonymous, followed by Krishna, followed by Rahul Gulati, followed by Palak Cross, Shruti, Manas, Bhumi, Pingu, and Pratibha. Let's go. All right, 13 question. Let's start the quiz. So this is going to be economic question. The Reserve Bank of India has decided to enhance the limit for taxpayer payments via UPI from 1 lakh. अभी तक हम 1 लाख पे कर सकते थे, अब ये बहुत increase हो गया, and this is very good for Indian businesses. All right, everybody has voted. That's a nice competitive spirit you are having. The answer is 5 lakh. Those who have opted for 2, 3, 4, yes, a very big step has been taken in terms of economic transaction, and the limit has been increased from 1 lakh to 5 lakh. Right. So this is a very important thing you must be aware of. And last question of the day, guys. It could be a determinant factor who could be at the top of the leaderboard, in between, or at the last, or out of the leaderboard as well. Let's see how you fare in this thing, and we'll look at the leaderboard at the end. The Banking Laws Amendment Bill 2024 proposes to increase the number of nominees per bank account to. सो अब नंबर ऑफ नॉमिनीज जो होते हैं बैंक अकाउंट में वो इंक्रीज हो जाएंगे बैंकिंग लॉज अमेंडमेंट बिल के तहत एवरीबडी हैज वोटेड लेट्स सी 4 okay you guys are actually following this thing nobody voted for 2 or 5 it is 4 indeed many people opted for 3 but it has increased to 4 and with that being said I think we'll have a leaderboard at the end yes we had a quiz we have a quiz leaderboard so let's see. So Rahul Gulati has made to the okay. Amog is first. We have Rahul Gulati, then Anonymous, then Krishna, Palak, Bhumi, Shruti, Manas, Pratibha, and Pingu. Congrats to everyone, and do give me a feedback. Did you like the new way of presenting one-liners, and you want this way, or you want the other way around? That passage-based questions all the way. And thank you for joining me here. And we'll see you tomorrow at 9 or 9:30. I'll apprise you in advance. Only 14 question. I'll try to add more questions from tomorrow. I'll make it 20. All right, guys. Thank you. Bye. See ya.